Hello, and welcome to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about SumatraPDF, a lightweight, free, and secure PDF reader. I'll also show you how to set it as your default PDF viewer on Windows 10. SumatraPDF is a fast, minimalist PDF reader that is perfect for anyone looking for a lightweight and efficient program. Unlike some other PDF readers that are packed with unnecessary features, SumatraPDF keeps it simple and focuses on providing a fast and smooth reading experience. Here are some key features of SumatraPDF. It's free and open source. It's very lightweight and uses minimal system resources. It supports multiple file formats like PDF, EPUB, MOBI, and it's secure. Now, let's go ahead and download SumatraPDF. Head to the official website, www.sumatrapdf.org. Click on the Download button. Once the file is downloaded, open it and follow the installation prompts. The setup is very simple. Just click Next a few times and you're done. Once installed, you'll have the SumatraPDF icon on your desktop or in your Start menu. Now that SumatraPDF is installed, let's make it your default PDF viewer on Windows 10. First, open Settings by press Windows plus I on your keyboard. In the Settings window, select Apps. On the left side, click Default Apps. Scroll down and click on Choose Default Apps by file type. Wait for the list to load, then scroll down to .pdf. Click the app icon next to .pdf. Choose your preferred PDF viewer from the list. Your new default PDF app is now set. And that's all there is to it. And that's all for today's tutorial. SumatraPDF is now your default PDF viewer, and you can enjoy reading PDFs with a clean and fast interface. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials.